In the bustling streets of Lagos, Chico counted his last few naira with trembling hands. The currency trader had heard whispers in the market about cowrie shells selling for thousands to spiritual practitioners abroad. Authentic Yoruba sacred currency, they called it. But Chico had a different plan. He would create fake cowries using three-dimensional printing and chemical aging. Who would know the difference? At first, it worked perfectly. Dozens of shells appeared overnight in his small apartment. Then hundreds. Then thousands. They multiplied endlessly, flooding every corner of his home like a cursed tide. Each shell whispered of spiritual debts that could never be repaid. As dawn broke, the cowries began to glow and transform into supernatural chains. They wrapped around his wrists, his ankles, binding him forever. Chico had become the eternal guardian of authentic cowrie sacred sites. His greed had created a debt that only servitude could honor. Some prices are too sacred to counterfeit.